Hi, and welcome back to Durand's Designs. I'm Brian Durand. In this video, I'm going to make this 3D bar sign out of 3D clip art using the new features in Aspire 11.5. The 3D assembly features have been updated in this new version. You can more easily combine 3D models using clip art. You can raise it and lower it and position it all in real-time view with this new version of Aspire. So if you like these videos, hit like and subscribe, and we'll have new videos every week. So let's get started. We'll create a new file in Aspire 11.5. We will make it a single-sided job, and we'll go 12 by 12, and we'll set the thickness to 2 inches just to give us some room to work with. And we will zero position off the material surface and the datum position in the lower left-hand corner. Make sure to set your modeling resolution to very high, and you can choose the type of board you want as your appearance. So we'll move down to the clip art tab, and if you've installed all the clip art galleries that you can get off the website at Vectric.com, you can browse through all the free clip art that's included with your Vectric download. And there's different ways you can find your different clip arts. You can just zoom through all if you're just on clip art, or you can go to different categories. So we're just going to start with a brick wall 3D clip art, and we'll just adjust the size to the size of our document. Once we're happy with that, we will find some of the other components and import them. First, we'll split to 3D view so you can see what the 3D model will look like. Then we'll bring in the beer text. It's provided with the different clip arts and things that you can import into your document. And then we will add a beer mug. You can arrange these how you want. And then we will go back into our clip arts, and you can just browse through and see anything you want to add to your sign. You can see you have all different kinds of shapes and animals, patterns. And you can just get some inspiration for making different signs. And you can also go down and choose the tab of the exact type of thing you're looking for. You got decorative, domes, different moldings, objects and people. You got your stylized words there where we got the beer from. It just gives you a quick start on making signs and other things. I'm just going to go up to the panels and shields column, and I want to add a little panel for the bottom that I can add a established 2022 numbers down on the bottom. I just think we'll pick this one. And then you can adjust the size. Okay, so now we're going to move on, and we're going to just look at how you can adjust and assemble your 3D clip art. And you can see you have now new handles that you can actually lift or lower the model compared to the model below it. And you can scale it up and down, and you can see the results in real time if your computer's fast enough. So if you want to change the mode of the model, how it combines with the other model, you can right click and you can click merge, and now the background is not added onto the mug itself. So overall, the features of 11.5 are quite an improvement in 3D modeling. This is just one of the different things they've added, the new assembly tools. You can see again, if you click on the model, you can scale it, and And you can also adjust the Z height with that little blue handle. So you can see how useful this would be if you're adding multiple 3D models and you want them all on different levels and different sizes. Okay, so now we will go in and we will create the 3D words. So we can adjust the settings on that till you get it the way you want it to look. Then you go back to your 2D view and you can move the words to where you want them. And you can adjust the base height. They've added some new shading features too in the 3D preview. Give it a more realistic look. You can adjust those settings as well, depending on how you like it to look. Once you're happy with that, you hit apply, close it out, and you can continue editing and adding features to your sign. So now we'll go in and we will create a new text, and we will do the establish 2022 and place that on the little banner down below. You can adjust the size the way you like it. So now once you've adjusted the text to where you want it, you can get an idea of the design that you want to make, and you can either add more features to it, or add more text, or more 3D clip arts. So now we can highlight the text and we can go into the modeling tab, and we can create a shape out of that. Just keep the height you had before if you want, but that looks a little big, so you can lower the base height. Get it the way you want it. You could also go in and raise up that banner to make it higher if you want. And if you're happy with the way it looks, you can hit apply and close, and the sign's starting to come together. If you want at this point, you can continue to adjust your clip art if you want to make it a little bigger or scale it differently. It's all in real time. Very easy program to use once you get the hang of it. And version 11.5 has made it even easier to use. So now we'll go in and we will finish the sign by making a new text on the top, Brian's bar. You just get it the way you want it, and then you can line it up and adjust the scaling. I think that's you can center it with your alignment tools. I think it's a little big. Anyway, we'll create the 3D effect. I want to make sure that you get it the way you want it to look. I don't want the brick texture on there, so I will click the merge button. First, I'll go back and adjust the size, and you hit apply, close, and there you go. You got your bar sign. Now, obviously, you could go in and add more features or words or more clip art if you choose to. But I'm happy with that as a demonstration. Now we'll go into the toolpath. I'll just quickly go over that. Not too detailed. I'm just using a ball nose 1/8 inch and setting it on the model boundary. And we're using offset climb. And I'll hit calculate. And then we'll preview. And that's what you got. Got a nice little 3D sign. So I hope you like this video on the new features of Aspire 11.5. I'll have more videos on the new features in this version. I already have one that you can check out on the freehand draw tool that they've added in 11.5. So if you like this video, make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow me, and I will have new videos. Try to have them every week, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.